back with another video, and today I'm gonna be making slime. I already have shampoo in here, so that's good. And I might be adding some foam in here to oil foam and salt. Then we're gonna put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Or you just wait till the rest of the day. What time is it? 3:20. It sticks a little. This is because it's not ready. And everything did. And I hope foam works. Okay, I don't know. It's gonna be watery. No, it didn't get watery. It's still thick. So that's good. And add a little bit of salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. I didn't add that much, so it's still thick. So I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna put this back. Add a little bit more. Just add color to it. Now it's green. Okay, I'm done with this. Now let's go put it in the freezer. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the slime in the freezer.